Hello, and thank you for watching Accelerate with Nerdio. In today's video, we're going to discuss creating WVD remote app pools. As always, please check the description for any additional links or updates, and definitely check out help.nerdio.net for more Accelerate videos, KBs, and helpful articles. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So our agenda today, very simple, right? What is the use case for WVD app pools and what does it look like? So, when we think of a use case, right, in your standard pool delivery, you're providing a desktop to the user. So they log in, they're hitting what is likely a shared resource, the host, and they're having a normal Windows 10 experience. Well, maybe you only want a user to run an app in the environment. Maybe it's someone external of the organization and they don't require a full desktop, but they need access to an app. So you can do what are known as WVD app pools. So your user still goes through the WVD gateway and client, but they're going to be presented with an option of apps, and those apps will open up within the WVD client as opposed to a full desktop. Now let's take a look at what that is. So we're in the Nerdio admin portal. We're in the server's blade. We see our desktop pools. Here's our common session desktop experience. Here's our remote app experience. Let's talk about how you add that. So if we click Add WVD Pool, we're going to name or describe what that pool is going to be called. Let's just call it our Demo App Pool. And then we see we have two experiences we can select. So this is where we would choose remote app, and then once it's built, we can select the applications to publish. As always, I can choose a clone to build from. So let's say I had built out Pool B with all of my line of business apps, and one of those apps is what I'm publishing. I can use that pool's template. So we would select Pool B. I'll size it, hit OK, and then once it's done, I'll have something that looks just like this. It is the same functionality as a desktop pool. It's just pushing app instead of desktop through the WVD client. And so that means I can click this drop down and I would choose Publish Apps. This will take a look at the template for that pool, let me know what applications are available to publish, and I'll be able to select them here in a moment. And then again, once those are selected, when the user goes to log in through the client, instead of having a desktop icon, they would see an icon for QuickBooks or Excel or whatever it is that you're choosing to publish at that time. And so here we can start to select those apps. Let's say it's going to be Firefox, and let's say it's going to be Notepad++. And I would hit confirm, and again, these would be the provided options when I go to log in. It really is as simple as that, right? Under the hood, it's still just hosts, but again, the resources are being used to publish apps back to the end users. Help.nerdio.net for any further questions, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you very much.